Guys, welcome back to Newbie Life. It's been a long time since I've been here. First, we have a big unboxing to do. So I ended up getting two sets of deep frames, 10 and 10. I have a box here. This is a super medium. I have a deep below, and I have a lot of deep inside. I got to rebuild or build a brand new. So these are my deeps. I'm going to need these. Let's check them out. They come with foundations and all. Oh good, at least they come with the nails. I'll have to get a little mallet and put these together real quick. So as you can tell, there's a lot of parts here, but you do have, kind of goes together quickly. I don't know, taking longer than I wanted to, but I do have a little hammer on my tool here, so it saved me a little time. But I just put a rock so I could tap on it. And you're supposed to put glue too. That's something I don't want to do, but that's one of the frames out of the 10 that I need to build right now. So I got 9 left. And just if you're building frames, remember there's different pieces. If it's not matching up, one's the top, one's the bottom. The bottom one is thinner than the top. And if you're having a problem that it's not going together, is the reason why. That's usually why. Then you have your two sides. The thicker pieces go up top to gap it, to space it out, so they're perfectly spaced out and bees have room to come in and out. That's how you put that. So anyway, let me get to it. I got a lot of work to do here. All right, so we are all finished. All 10 frames are built out. Took about a half hour. I wasn't expecting to do that, so I lost a lot of time today doing that, but we're just gonna put them in. They smell so good that my bees are coming over to them. They're ready, trying to get in them. Just love this. Really fun doing it. It's another part of life. Too hot right now to do any acid treatments for varroa mites or anything like that, so we're gonna have to wait. I use Formic Pro. Temperatures have to come down. We're in the 90s heat wave. Too hot. We're gonna give them a second box. They're ready for it. Get them off the top. You can line up your box corners by grabbing corner to corner like this, and then corner to corner like this, and you can tweak it right on so you can feel kind of where you need to be. And their propolis is going to clog everything else up. So we're not going to put the entrance reducer on today. There we go. Brand new looking. Love it. I put rocks on it usually just to weigh it down. Stuff a raccoon, well, it can't get in here. I'm caged in, but just gives a little extra protection. We're gonna get a super on this one, so let's check it out.